bedroom of young James Westthorne, who recently lost his first tooth. But when it neared the bed, the child in it jumped up and shouted,
No, this is my tooth. It belongs to me. You can't have it.
You mustn't upset the fairy folk, Master James.
pleaded the child's nanny.
The fairy folk aren't kind, nor forgiving.
But spoiled James just shook his head.
So what if they are? They can't have it. And nothing can change my mind.
Let us hurt us and take you away. You'll be doomed to live forever as a cursed monster.
I don't care. And I don't believe you. I don't believe in fairies.
One night, a tooth fairy appeared in the bedroom of young James Westthorne, who recently lost his first tooth. But when it neared the bed, the child in it jumped up and shouted,
No, this is my tooth. It belongs to me.
Next, the fairies ventured down the road. The servants followed. Papa and Granny, oh no, are being ravaged by this harm. Lord and Lady Westthorne were set upon next should Though James now was changed, shifting his fate was was simple already. The smell the fairies are frightened to look them out. One complete. He groaned.